For 25 years, the Canadian Pacific Holiday Train has spread holiday cheer and raised money for local food banks across Canada and more recently, the U.S. 2023 marks the first year that the train is formally called the CPKC Holiday Train, and it will be making stops along the former KCS in Kansas, Missouri, Oklahoma, Arkansas, and Louisiana. This year, the Canadian train, led by CP 2249, was assigned to Maine, Quebec, and the former D&H in upstate New York, as well as pretty much the rest of Canada. As I'm traveling north through Albany anyway, I stop to watch the train depart Kenwood Yard and head north, passing the historic D&H building.
Turn right onto Church Street, then your destination will be on the right.
Forgot to turn that off. KCS engine off of CP 528. Holiday train's way back in the yard, but we're going to get set up at the Concrete Canyon, 787, Albany, New York.
1016 over. Alright, yeah, TGV is good, no changes. CP2249 is in the PTC. 0 by 13 for the counts. All that, looks like you're ready to head north there. CP02 off the east track, over. After that, we are departing Kenwood off the east track, and we're also looking for signal indications if it's hiding at Saratoga at CBC 36 as well, over.
CPKC Holiday Train 2023, sitting right there in the Concrete Canyon, and there's the D&H building. We're gonna move down. There is a lot of foamers on this bridge, a lot of foamers, and I don't mind foamers, but I'd rather be somewhere by myself. So we're gonna go down to a railroad crossing and watch it go by, because that's a lot of foamers. There goes CPKC 01H. We'll catch up to it tomorrow. They got 3 busy shows ahead of them tonight, though. Fast forward just over 24 hours later, the Foam Fest is starting at South Junction Road.
6 Canadian main line, 33 degrees. Axle 60, no alarm. Link 1004 mile, 154.6 out.
right, one last chase time coming up. All right, I have parked a few blocks away in Rouses Point, and I'm rapidly approaching on foot because I think that is the best way to go. We're in Rouses Point. There's quite the crowd here at Pratt Street by the old D&H Depot. Got a very nice looking Rouses Point ambulance here, and the stage is right behind me. Gonna be hopefully a good performance here. Holiday train brings the entire community out. It's always great to see.
Any more time, let down to heartbreak. And we'll take love in the backseat of the taxi.
My name's Trudy. I'm from Quebec, and during the holidays, especially Christmas time, it gets really cold down there. I'm sure it gets cold over here too, right?
We're literally like 30 miles from Montreal.
Christmas, but just wishes it was to say Merry Christmas to you.
Of the train going across the country to raise food funds and awareness for food insecurity. Since 1999, the CPKC holiday train has raised over $22.5 million and 5.1 million pounds of food for food banks just like yours, thanks to the generosity of communities just like Rouses Point. And just so you know, everything that is raised in the community stays right here. So please give generously. And right over there where the flashing lights are, that is a spot to donate if you haven't done so already. And now I would like to bring out Ben Arnold from the town to say a few words.
I'd like to thank everybody for coming tonight. I'd like to thank CPKC for a donation that they're going to give us. And I hope everybody has a good time tonight. We got quite a crowd. And if anybody needs any help with any food or anything like that, don't be ashamed. Go to the Catholic Church and pick up the donation for yourself. Alrighty, that's all I have to say. Thank you for coming tonight.
Thank you, Ben. And now I have a couple of other special guests to bring out. I would like to bring out Shirley from St. Patrick's Church Food Shelf. And coming right behind her is the CPKC Sergeant Rutkowski with a giant check for $3,500. A very warm welcome once again to Virginia to Vegas.
Okay guys, I heard two different pronunciations. Is it Rouses Point or Rouses Point? Rouses, okay, I don't want to misaddress you guys. But y'all, when we come rolling in, I'm sure you see the energy pouring out of here. Me and the guys, we get pretty excited when these doors come down. We've got a little chant going on the train to try and keep us motivated, to try and keep that Christmas cheer going. So I'll say to my buddies, I'll say, let's go, boys, and they'll say, let's go, Derek, and I'll say, let's go, boys, and they'll go, let's go, Derek, and it's pretty fun. So I thought maybe you guys could be a part of our crew as well, and I'm going to say, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, and y'all are going to say, let's go, but you're going to say it loud enough to wake up the neighbors, all right? So let's go, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. One more time, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. All right, you don't got to yell at me, I'll play the Christmas song. Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we got no place to go, well, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. But I think we should do this. No excuses, cause we know excuses only get in the way of what I feel for you, of what I feel for you, of what I feel for you. Oh, I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me those.
All right, CPKC 01H or 02H, I'm not exactly sure what the symbol is. CP 2249 North is going to be departing momentarily to the U.S. or Canadian Customs stop in Lacolle, Quebec, heading to Montreal and then continuing its tour across Canada. I do believe the trip down the D&H was quite a success. And you gotta love the fire truck and ambulance all lit up too. Love it. All right, that's gonna do it for me, boys. This is NCT coming to you from Rouses Point. Out.